Hi, welcome to another video of the Protractor training series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the frameworks that the Protractor supports. So, as you can see here, Protractor supports four different types of frameworks. First one is the Jasmine framework, which comes default with the Protractor installation. The second one is the Mocha framework, third one is the Cucumber framework, and the fourth one is the Custom framework. So let me take you back to the URL. So this is the protractor site, and here you can see the four different types of frameworks that protractor supports. So we are not going to discuss about Mocha, Cucumber or any other custom framework, but would like to run these tutorials on the Jasmine framework. As you can see here, Protractor supports two different versions of Jasmine framework, that is 1.3 and 2.0. So 1.3 version is by default. You do not have to specify any other options. It will by default run on the 1.3. But for you to work with 2.0, you have to give few configurations which in the conf.js file, which we'll be seeing at some later point of time in this tutorial series. Let me take you to the Jasmine website and show you how the Jasmine frameworks look like. So this is the Jasmine website which is hosted on the GitHub. All right. As you can see here, there are different versions of Jasmine framework, but we are going to stick with 1.3 to start with, and then we will navigate to the 2.x versions. All right. So let me take you to the 1.3. Just click on that, and you can see that this is the Jasmine website for the 1.3. So this is the basic syntax. As you can see here, this is the basic syntax of the Jasmine framework. So let me take you back to the protractor side. Here you can see different frameworks that the protractor supports, right? As Jasmine, Mocha, Cucumber, and your custom framework. But at the end of the day, all of these frameworks are BDD, that is behavioral driven development frameworks. All right, it's not TDD. It's only BDD that Protractor supports. Okay, so let's try to understand the basic framework of Jasmine. Okay, I'm not going to take you much deep into the Jasmine framework either with this Protractor series, because going for a lot deeper into Jasmine is also of not a great help for us for this Protractor series. So for now, the two basic things that we need to understand is the describe and the it. Now, describe, the way that I would like to describe the describe keyword here is, uh, if you have worked with either testng or a basic class file in Java, right? So you can say describe is similar to a test suite, okay, and it you can say as a test case. So basically what you will do is that inside describe, it takes two parameters. First one is a string argument, and the second one is a function where you can specify your test cases inside this function. Okay, it is very similar to your test case or test script. Okay, and it takes two arguments as well. First argument is a string that will specify what exactly this test case is about, and the second one is a function argument. All right, this function argument, inside this function argument you can write a test case. Okay, that is your test steps. So that is pretty much about the Jasmine framework. So let me show you one test case. All right, so let me show you this to do spec, which is nothing but your test case. So I am opening it with the Notepad++, but in the later on tutorials we will jump into using some IDE. All right. So here you can see the describe. Okay, this is the test case which we have ran in the video number 2, right? So here you can see that we have used describe, and inside that we have it block. All right. So that is all that I want you to understand for now. Do not go inside this. What is browser? What is element? And all. For that we have I have planned very exclusively to go through this starting with the sixth video. All right. So let's not go deep into that right now. So that is all that you have to understand for this series um, in this video. So what we are going to learn through this protractor series is that we are going to use the default Jasmine framework, and we are going to use the default 1.3 version of the Jasmine framework. Okay, and we have learned uh, how the BDD framework of Jasmine is. All right. So that's all for this tutorial, and we'll discuss more in detail in the coming series. If you have any feedback, please let me know. Thank you.